Hello friends. In this video, we are going to cover the health report module. So when we talk about the health report, it is basically a wrapper sitting on top of inventory and the security analyzer. And this module is specifically designed for the group of people who are from business side or maybe semi-technical, or maybe the person who don't want to go in a detailed nitty-gritty of the technical aspect of the things, but wanted to understand whether their account is falling under green category or amber category or red category, so that they can take a decision and align their team to start working on improvement on their Snowflake account. So basically, this report is nothing. It's a wrapper which is run behind the scenes. Will run the inventory inspector, security analyzer and best practice analyzer. It will go and check your Snowflake account, and every rule has a weightage tag to it based on its severity and the importance of that particular rule. And out of that weightage, it will generate a report which will tell you whether if you are falling under a certain percentage range, it will give you a category whether you are in the under red or amber or your green. And based on that, you can always go on the detailed report on security analyzer and respective analyzer and see the mitigation plan. But what this report can help you is it will give you the list of all the rules uh, which can help you to increase your percentage to move more towards the greener part of the target. So let me just quickly run this health check. It will generate a report. So at the moment you can see this is the definition or the legend for the color coding, how we are putting the color coding, and this is the color, like my current account falls under the amber because I have a percentage of 65.9 which falls under the amber category. But for example, if I have passed more more rules, then my score will be much higher and I might fall under it. But at the moment, this trial account is falling under amber account, and my goal would be to move from amber to green. So how to do that is basically the recommendation which is you can see over here. It says like if you uh, uh, resolve this rule, and if this rule is clear, you will get the increment on your total overall percent by 0.69%. Likewise, if you resolve this, you will get the 1.27%. So likewise, if you start resolving all these rules, uh, the failure reason, you will get increment in your overall percentage, and which will bring your account from amber to green. So it might happen that you fall under red, and then in that case, you need to slowly plan to move from red to amber and then from amber to green. So that should be our goal, and that's the overall agenda for this module. But if you want to see more detail around this, you can always come in the report extractor module and generate the report, and then you can see the details around each of these rules, because behind the scene when you run this module, it will run the security inventory, and you can always extract the report and see the mitigation plan for that particular rules. So that's all about security, this health service compass health check report. We'll see you with other module video in the next video. Thank you.